Okay, we're doing a deep conditioning mask on my client today. I'm actually going to combine two masks from DevaCurl, Melt into Moisture and Deep Sea Repair. So one is basically like almost like a protein mask, the other one's just a hydrating one. And I'll show you guys the process and the after. Okay, so I just finished cleansing my client out. I like to do the deep conditioner on a clean canvas, so that's why I shampoo before and then add it on top of it. So I'm going to do that next. Let me show you guys what it looks like currently. Yes, so I've just did like a double wash on her. It's still kind of damp. I've squeezed out most of the water, and I'm going to add the mixture of the two masks on top. Okay, because I want to keep volume on her roots, I have avoided the root area, just mid-shaft to ends, basically where her color and most of her dry ends are. Now I've placed this little cap on her. I'm going to sit her under this dryer now for about 10 minutes. At home you could do like a heat warming cap. Again, you can get off Amazon for like 15 minutes, or just put like a t-shirt or a towel around your head to insulate your body heat for about 30 minutes. This mask that I'm using is half moisture, half protein, so I don't advise leaving it on longer than 20 minutes. Okay, so this is after I have shampooed, deep conditioned, and then I've applied my products, and then gently towel blotted a little bit. At this point, she could now air dry, but I encourage all of my clients to diffuse so that we can get some more curl coiling, so that these waves become more circular and have bigger rotations. So waves also, this is a whole other thing, not to do with deep conditioning, but sometimes people who think they have waves also have big fat coils. They just need a little bit of encouragement with the right product hold and with the proper diffusing technique, which is what I'm going to do next on her. But look how shiny that is after her deep conditioning treatment and product. Look at all that shine. Her hair is pretty much dry now. I'm just waiting to fluff it out now. I just wanted to show you guys the reflection. We don't have any oils or any serums of any sort. This is just the light reflection from the products and the process. Beautiful waterfall here. Very pretty. I'm gonna have you go from underneath, back of your neck, and just kind of fluff. And then swing your head side to side for me.